Okay, so you bought an electric propagator from B&Q's, and it's not temperature controlled. So we'll turn it on, and it's 21.5 degrees now. So we'll turn it on and see what it goes up to. So we've got the heater on for a good half an hour, and it's gone up to 30 degrees, which is too much for a plant, isn't it? So what you need is one of these. Oh, it's a bit dirty, look. An Arduino controller, look. You've got the power in, power to the propagator, and temperature probe. So we'll put this all together. That's the first time I've used this camera, so I don't know if you can see the screen on there, but it's 25.2 degrees and it's set for 25 degrees, so this doesn't just turn on when it gets below 25 degrees. It steps. It'll come on for 0.1 of a second and turn off for 0.9 of a second when it gets to 25 degrees, and then 0.2, 24.9 and 0.3 for 24.8, etc. until it's fully on at probably 24 degrees. And it'll start flashing on soon. There you go, look. It's cooling down now, so it's starting to use a bit of power. 10% power. And it should just stabilise now around 25 degrees exactly. So, but it does take a bit to stabilise, about half an hour or so when you first turn it on. But now it's come on 20% power now, because it's gone to 24.9. It's on for 0.2 seconds, and it's come on for 30% power now. It must be going down a bit more. But say once it settles down, it stays roughly about what it should, 25. This is an I think it's 8 watt propagator. You want really 12 watt, because it helps in the winter. But this, anyway, you don't really need all this screen, all the LEDs, or the touchpad. If you just do it you just need that thermometer, what you call it, sensor, temperature sensor, and a solid state relay. So it's you can adjust it like this. I made a menu: up is down, 2 is up, 3 is down, and there's 20 temperature. So let's go down 24 degrees, and you'll see when you get 23.9, look back to there, and it's turned off because it wants to try and drop the temperature. Same as this. Go back to the menu, go to up, put it to 25.5. I want to do a time thing on this, so you don't have to press a button to go back. So now it's on, trying to heat up now to 25.5, and it's 24.6. Anyway, I'll strip it down now. Let's have a look inside our kids. Alright, can you see that then? I think it's about there, isn't it? Yeah. So it's set to 25 and it's running at 24.9. So it's about spot on. It's got 30% power it's using. So if I adjusted this to 20, so you've got a menu here, look. Menu up, adjust it, the temperature up, adjust it down. Let's put it to 25.5. So now it's on 80% now, look, it's trying to get up to temperature. Obviously it'll take a while to get up there. But that's it, it's not bad, is it? Come on. So it goes up in increments. Look, the further away it is, the more power it puts in. So put it back down to 25. It's using 20% there, look. It's just hovering around. And now it's going up now, look. It should come back down. That should stop. That should go to 0 when that goes too high. There you go, look. And you're saying let's cool down a bit now. But I've used this for years and it's never gone wrong really. Just don't want to put the propagator in the sunlight because it just goes way temperature. It goes way too high. Right, inside we've got, oh my god, right, the power comes in there and it goes to, oh god, the earth goes down to the mains out. The blue, sorry, which is neutral in our country, goes to the other power out, the mains power out. The brown goes to a solid state relay there, which provides the power for the propagator, which is, it must come out. Oh yeah, it must come out there, look, the other side of that obviously solid state relay. So, and then you've also got power going to this, which is an old USB mains power thing, you know, with the mains adapter that's got a USB socket on it. That's what's powering the Arduino. There, look. That's how you got that. The voltage for the Arduino from the mains is cutting one of them adapters up and gluing it inside, basically, and powering. And obviously the mains is powering that as well. So, and then, yeah, we've got the Arduino here. Look, and I don't know how I can explain all this lot to you. I really don't. I'm going to have to just let you wing it really. You obviously got the sensor, which is that one there. Is it? No, that's going to the, oh, that's going to the solid state relay. So that is pin, that's ground, and pin 8. So in the program, the solid state relay for turning on a propagator will be pin 8, and the display is just, I just copied that. I just copied the program off YouTube, and it starts at pin, display starts at pin 1, I think, is it? No, it's not. Anyway, the rest of it's, the touch pads and all that are probably done through there. So you don't need all that. You don't need all that display and that. It makes it a lot simpler just having 2 wires from the relay and the temperature sensor. Let's find out which one the temperature sensor is then. There's black, red and orange. So we go to orange and that goes to this breadboard, and it looks like it's going out of that yellow one to pin 1. So pin 1 is a temperature sensor, and pin 8 is the solid state relay, and the rest is all LEDs, screens and touch pads. Touch pads, where are they going to then? Oh Lord. I can't see, I've only got one eye so I can't see very well. I'm going to just going to show you the program. Have a look in the program really, the best probably way to tell. Anyway, there you go. That's the temperature controller for your propagator.